journey till I know it's supposed to be. It's a long, long journey, and I don't know if I can believe the shadows fall and block my eyes. I am lost, know that I must hide. It's a long, long journey till I find my way home to you. Any day I stand drifting over you empty shores, wondering what's my purpose, wondering how to make me strong. I know I will fall down, I know I will cry, I know you'll be standing by my side. It's a long, long journey, and I need to be close to you. Sometimes it feels no one understands. I don't even know why I do the things I do. When Christ built me up till I can't see my soul, you break through this walls and pull me through. Cause it's a long journey till I feel that I'm worth the price. You pay for me on Calvary beneath the stormy sky, where Saturn's most and first touch the force. It feels like everything is out to make me lose control. Cause it's a long, long journey till I find my way home to you.